All right guys, it has been a long time since we've been sitting at this table. I've redone the wall behind me to feature all FXOne tools, and today we have some new ones to check out. So super excited about these. These are called the Nightfall. Let's hop right into it and check these things out. All right guys, so you can see here in the little pamphlet, Babyliss Pro Nightfall Collection, your favorite styling and grooming tools in a new limited edition color. So you can see the clippers that we have in front of us. We also have some curling irons and some flat irons. Now if we open it up, we can see everything in detail, but we're gonna go ahead and check them out right here. Let's get that out of here and check these things out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set the FXOnes to the side real quick. I think I'm just gonna open everything up because a lot of the features are the same. So let's just go ahead and pop some of these out of the box. All right, I'm gonna grab some batteries for the FXOnes real quick and we can check them out. All right, let's get these things loaded up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the FXOnes to the side. We're gonna start with the FX Plus. It's been a while since I sat at this table. I'm kind of excited. So first off, we have the FX Plus, guys. These are the same motor as the FXOnes, but without the batteries. So you guys can see USB-C at the bottom and a regular charger on both the clipper and trimmer. But these are both gonna have the new in-one motor that's in the FXOne, so huge improvement from the old. Even if you like the old Boost Plus or some of those clippers that were solid, this is a huge improvement and much, much, much quieter. That is probably the biggest improvement. Now we do have a taper blade on the clipper, which is surprising to me. You guys know I always like taper blades. Now they got the MIM and it's my favorite. Now it should come on everything, but surprised to see a taper blade. I couldn't even tell you the last clipper that came with a taper blade. They all came with fade blades, aside from the MIM stuff. So you can see we have a graphite taper blade, black lever, black plate on the front, black power switch, and bottom ring. And this color is just super cool. This is our metallic Nightfall. You can see, somebody asked me, is it more purple or red? Man, I'll tell you what, depending on the light, I guess I'm gonna say more purple. It's almost gunmetal with just a slight purple tint. So trimmer, same thing, black, black, black here. Has the graphite 2.0 blade, got some grease on it, some oil on it. But basically these are our standard FXs with those upgrades. So the M1 motor and the USB-C charging. Now you can see here we have a FXOne trimmer and a shaver. Now I'm not 100% sure, but there is no clipper to be seen anywhere, FX clipper that is, for the FXOne Nightfall colorway. And you guys see behind me, if you're new to this, this is the new tool only line. So we have the coral, the blue, and the green. And those are what we call tool only. So they're just gonna come with the tool, no extras, no chargers, no batteries. You guys see, grab the battery from my charging dock. And since I'm already using the FXOne system, I'm good to go. Now there is not a clipper as far as I know. Maybe there is one coming, but I don't have it. This will kind of fill in, I guess, but it doesn't take the battery. You guys can see it does match and looks super nice. So maybe there's an FXOne version coming, but I'm not sure. But you guys can see these are super slick. So they match perfectly with the FX Plus over here to my right, but these are the FXOne and take the battery. So same shaver, same trimmer as my black FXs. We have the metal grip here. Does have the dual head shaver with the lock and unlock on the back. And these things are super sick. So we'll go ahead and turn this one on. Because their FXOne come with a battery, they don't require you to charge it first like these do with this little plastic in there. You can just throw these on straight out of the box. So those are our FXOnes, and I am gonna grab one of the boxes here in a second, and I'll tell you guys some of the specs. Now, last but not least, these are probably my favorite of the bunch. I'll give you guys the top view. This is the Low Pro FXOnes, and you can see these are in a nice matte finish, so super dope here. Definitely my favorite Low Pro colorway so far, and out of all of these, I think I like the matte finish the best. You guys leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Which ones of these are your favorites, or which ones may you cop? You see we got the red ones up here and the gunmetal up here to my right, but these things are looking crazy. So here's the black MIM blade that I was talking about, one of my absolute favorites of all time. We have the click lever on the side, super smooth click lever. If you guys have used the Low Pros, you know that this lever is just, I don't know why, it's even better than the FXs, just something about it, right? It does have the release button on the back. That's what's gonna eject the battery. Trimmer has it as well. And both of these have it as well. I didn't talk about it. The trimmer has the Graphite 2.0 blade, power switch on the side. We got that matte finish on the top. And man, these things are sick. So these two are definitely my favorite out of the lineup. But let's grab a box, let's look at some of the features. Like I said, all of these are gonna have the N1 motor in them, so they're all gonna be pretty much the same, but I'm gonna grab one of the boxes, tell you guys some specs. All right, so I kept calling it FX Plus. It is the limited FX. My chair is stuck, let me scoot it up, there we go. But you guys can see here, this is the clipper trimmer box. We'll just go ahead and flip it over and check out the back. So yeah, black graphite taper blade, 5-position stretch taper arm, same as all the rest of these. Does have the N1 brushless motor. So all of these are gonna have that, such an improvement. Much quieter, cuts super well. I've had 0 issues ever since I started using stuff with the N1 and the MIM blade, absolute beast. Does have a high performance lithium ion battery with up to 3 hours of runtime, all metal housing, USB-C and FX cord compatible, has a hidden hanging hook and 6 comb attachments. So that answers what is in this box. I'm not gonna get it out. Trimmer is pretty much the same, 7,200 RPMs. It does have the graphite deep tooth blade. So let's find that. So the Graphite 2.0 is the deep tooth graphite blade. Same N1 motor with 7,200 RPMs and 4 hours of runtime. So let's go ahead and set these things up so you guys can check them out. Super nice. We got the FX, I almost said FX Plus again. Limited FX here in the middle. If you guys aren't FXOne users and you want something you can charge, just plug in. We got the tool only FX trimmer and FX shaver. And my personal favorites, we have the Low Pro FX1s in the matte Nightfall colorway. You guys leave me a comment down below. I already asked you to, but do it again. Leave me a comment down below. Which of these sets are you using? I'm gonna try to get you guys some clips. I gotta cut hair all day tomorrow. I got a lot of tools to use to show you guys, but we'll just show you guys maybe a little montage of using these, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the Nightfall collection at the end of the video. All right guys, so that is it for my unboxing. I don't call it a review anymore because everybody got on to me that I can't review clippers for a company that I work for. Still try to keep it honest with you guys, which ones I like, which ones I don't like. I definitely love these colors, and the Low Pro is my go-to. You guys already know. Traditional clipper has always been one of my favorites, and they didn't do an FXOne clipper, just the shaver and the trimmer, so those are solid. I did use the Limited FX for a little while, and they are solid as well. And if you guys didn't see my Instagram post, I'm gonna be giving away the Limited FX. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm about to hit 100K. I won't tell you how to do it, but go check out the post and enter to win the Limited FX. But if you guys are FXOne users and you wanna do the tool only, the Low Pros, or the trimmer and shaver, you can do that. Or if you're not on the FXOne system and you guys want to do the limited FX, these are solid as well. Actually, super impressed with this, just like I was with the black limited FX. Nice crunch sound. It does have the M1 motor. Trimmer is solid as well. So you guys can pick these up if you're not doing the FXOne and you're cool with charging with a cord. But that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys want to check out the Nightfall Collection or any of the other FXOnes you guys see in the background of my video, anything you guys see me use on the channel, you guys can do that at babylesspro.com. Guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Nightfall colorway. I think it's super dope. I thought it was gonna be a little purple. I wasn't gonna like it, but man, to be honest, this matte, whatever you want to call it, Nightfall is super dope. So I'm actually loving the low pro set. They're gonna stay out on the station. But you guys let me know what you think about them. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up if you did like this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We're pushing 150K on YouTube, so let's get to it. Now I'm gonna leave you guys another video right here to check out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.